So, as a soldier, how did you feel about the war?
The Battle of Hong Kong was very traumatic experience. I feel depressed, sad, and at one moment, I thought I would not survive the war. Especially when people got shot around me. It was overwhelming.
How did you feel during the war?
As being one of the many nurses, I was deeply moved to see the amount of soldiers who sacrificed their lives for us.
Father, how did you feel about the war?
I was heartbroken to know that my older son was involved in this war. I couldn't sleep just of thinking about the war and the danger my son was exposed.
Second question for you. How did you get involved in this war?
Well, I am the Canadian Military Forces, and I was called to fight against to Japan to defend the British Crown colony. At that time, I was still underground because we were still not fully equipped.
Here's my second question. How did you get involved in this war?
Canada required nurses to join and to help soldiers who was injured during the war. So as a result, I decided to join the war.
My second question. How did you get involved in this war?
I was persuaded to allow my son to fight for the war. Men were greatly needed.
My third question. What was the aftermath of the war?
Seeing that most of the soldiers were either killed or wounded was just overwhelming. I could not really concentrate thinking that someone is dying in front of me and I can't do anything to help them.
Here's my third question. What was the aftermath of the war?
There was approximately 290 Canadian soldiers that were killed in the war. Also, out of 1,975 Canadian who went to Hong Kong, more than 1,550 either killed or wounded.
Question. What was the aftermath of the war?
When I received the letter, I was speechless and found myself crying while lying on the floor. My son is gone, and I can do nothing about it. He died for the country together with those brave soldiers.
Here's my fourth question. How did the battle change your life?
After the battle, I had been having nightmares. I can see dead bodies and it's very traumatic. I had a post-traumatic syndrome disorder, or which is also called shell shock. Thankfully, I am feeling a lot better now.
Third question. How did the battle change your life?
The beginning of the battle, I thought that the only thing I would do is to help those who were injured and to protect my country. Witnessing the dramatic changes the soldiers facing proven to me that I should be grateful of knowing that Canada as a country had men who sacrificed their lives for us. It also taught me to appreciate what I have because I never knew that it will happen.
My fourth question. How did the battle change your life?
Waking up every single day knowing that your son is in battle will really change your life. You will live each day with the fear that your son wouldn't survive. The melancholy that I feel always find its way to haunt me even in my sleep. I viewed life differently since the battle happened.
Here's my last question for you. What was the atmosphere during the war?
It was very disturbing that seeing the dead bodies everywhere. I can't concentrate, and as much I would like to help them, but I could not because I need to move forward to save my life.
Last question. What was the atmosphere during the war?
My duty was to work in a room, curing those who were injured. As you can imagine, the atmosphere was dark, depressing, and sad. All the soldiers were in pain, and there were a sense of suffering among all of them. It was really hard to maintain a positive attitude in the room without knowing if they survive or not.
Last question. What was the atmosphere about the war?
Since news and updates about the battle are barely released, every single day is nothing but a gloomy and helpless day to ponder about what's going on in the battle. Not much but a spent as sad atmosphere.
Third question. What was the aftermath?
There was approximately 290 Canadian soldiers that were killed in the battle. Also, out of 1,000 fucking...
How did the battle change your life?
After the battle, I have been having nightmares. I can still see the dead bodies Badass.
Flat.